Mr. T-Rex who lives next doors toots some very big toots. The sound of the toot makes everyone laugh. E-I-E-I-O, no! With a stinky honk here and a smelly honk there. Here a honk, there a honk, everywhere a honk, honk. Honkity, honk, honk, honkity, honk. Honk, honk, honkity, honk. Sir Triceratops lives next door, toots some very big toots. The sound of the toot makes everyone laugh. E-I-E-I-O, dear! With a stinky toot here and a smelly toot there. Here a toot, there a toot, everywhere a toot, 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 tootity, toot, 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 tootity, toot. Lord Elasmosaurus who lives in the sea toots some very big toots. The sound of the toot makes everyone laugh. E-I-E-O, how dare you! With a stinky bubble here and a smelly bubble there. Here a bubble, there a bubble, everywhere a bubble, 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 brubble. Prince Brachiosaurus who lives in the woods toots some very big toots. The sound of the toot makes everyone laugh. E-I-E-I-O, I can't believe it! With a stinky huff here and a stinky huff there. Here a huff, there a huff, everywhere a huff, 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 huffity, huff, huffity, huffity, huff. Every one of the dinosaurs toots some very big toots. The sound of the toot makes everyone laugh. E-I-E-O, how could you do that? With a stinky honk here and a smelly toot there. Here a huff, there a huff, everywhere a poof. Honk, honk, toot, toot, honkity, toot. Honkity, honk, honk, toot. Bubble, bubble, huff, honk, honk, toot. Bubble, bubble, huff, honk, honk, honk. The noisy toots of the dinosaurs are full of stinky smells. Blah.